Shagun developers bring to the construction industry their decades of venerable experience to entwine aesthetic values and instincts into their construction projects and to provide modern residential and commercial buildings to all customers. Manav Group is known for its aesthetic creations and aims to offer to its customers the most enchanting living experience. Intelligent architecture is evident through elevators, entrance lobbies, and even the gardens. Ashcon Builders are known for the great importance that they attach to their customers. The customers' needs and aspirations are understood thoroughly before the Ashcon professionals give their best to fulfill them. Ashcon Builders now plan to go beyond Pune and serve customers across Maharashtra. Welcome to Sunshine Hills, a world of your own, complete with classy amenities. Shagun developers, Manav promoters and Ashcon Builders have come together to present to you Sunshine Hills. We make sure that we conform to the development control rules while building your new home. The soil and water tests are of utmost importance to carry out high-quality construction. Our construction method and building design are carried out as per the soil and water test reports. The structural design of each one of our projects is done in accordance to the soil test report and the seismic zone classification. All our documents, such as the title deeds, possession certificates, receipts of corporation tax, water tax, electricity bills, etc., are perfectly transparent and contain no ambiguities. We sincerely commit to our buyers that the covenants are similar for all purchases in a project. We advise our buyers to make payments linked to specific dates or payments as per the work in progress. It is always in the interest of the buyer if the payment schedule is in accordance with the work in progress, because the buyer can see the progress and then commit his payment. We emphasize on open spaces such as the children's play area, landscaped gardens, and so on within the complex. In each of our projects, there are areas that are exclusively maintained as open space to be used by all residents of the complex. We will be happy if you visit our existing projects to assess the quality and standard of construction. Our projects are approved by various renowned banks such as ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI Bank, LIC Housing, Kotak Mahindra, IDBI, or any other financial institution. The builder agreement of Tricon Builders mentions that every buyer agrees to be a part of the association to maintain the premises. We ensure that the maintenance charges have been calculated according to the total area that each buyer owns, and the same is mentioned in the agreement. Set in the resplendent, lush green rolling hills of Kondwa, Sunshine Hills, located just ahead of the magnificent Corentin Club, is only a few minutes drive from camp and 5 minutes from Lulanagar.